moment I don finish fix the fish, I don cut am, cutting the cuttable. So now don see am, I don cut am for this time. Now we go pass on to seasoning. We go dey season am inside my small baff. I go season everything. Okay, my people. So you can be doing this and be roasting your fish for business beside the road in Africa. In Europe we don't do that. You can roast it inside your restaurant, but in Africa you can do it as a business, guys. If you dey roast fish like this, money where you go get. People the way they roast fish, send their pikin dem to take care of themselves. The only thing na just to get small capital start. Roasting fish is something nobody go pass if your fish is sweet, if your pepper is sweet, wey you no go do. Nah, say my show how I go chop the fish. So my people, this is small scale business, small starting up of business. So guys, if you know say you want to start this type of business, when we go to empower people, you go come outside now. You wey don dey follow me, no be newcomer o. Now I say I show the fish like that. Say now the fish this I don cut am. I don cut am be that. So now we go pass on to the mixing and the mixable. We go do the mishe. Hey, those my spice. This one na so I dey put am. Yes, so this one na soya pepper. I say I put am so that make the soya pepper just dey enter inside. Then I go keep am there for 1 hour. So that may marinate well, may the season enter body. Yes, so that one na my pepper, Maggi salt mix. Yes, so that one na fish spice and chicken spice the same time. So I do the spicing and the spiceable that I put small salt. Yes, so yes, Quinta, you sabi cook. You take your time to cook, guys. Don't just rush it. If you rush am, if na anything wey dey cook, e no go sweet. And no overpack ingredients. They no dey too pack am. If you pack am, e go pass number. You say water pass garri. That one na green spice. But I say mix am inside. Do the mishe. My people, fish is sweet o. When you remix am, you season am well. It take time marinate. Guys, you go enjoy the fish. So no hurry. If you wan make fish, if you don late wey you know say you wan make fish, make am keep am the next day you roast am. No just dey make am dey boil am the same time. No, fish no go like that. E no dey like meat. Even meat, you go marinate and keep am for some small minutes before you put am for fire. Yes, so you steam am. So fish, na so you go marinate am, so then you steam the fish. But this one today we dey do now, that one now they put pepper. That's dry pepper.